Alright, so here's a little walkthrough of the new version of my shirt and pants. So it starts with two LiPo batteries, give me about 160 watt hours. Those are 16 volts. They get into that power system here that's giving me voltage per cell. Voltage 16 volts right now, 4.1 per cell is good. Those are the amps going out of the battery right now at 12 volts. Here I have a little meter, like a fuel gauge, that shows me how much is flown out of the battery. Right now I can see 0.09 amp hour, so it shows me very little. It's been used for half an hour. That way I can see how much I have left without just relying on the voltage, which is not that good on LiPos. Then here I have a voltage converter, which takes the 16 volts down to 5 volts. Alright, then from here it actually goes down to this other converter, which takes batteries and is for those glasses here. Sadly, it actually takes it down to 3.3 volts with this little lossy converter here. It's just a voltage regulator, and it gets up, converted back to about 200 volt AC or whatever those things are running. Kind of sad, actually. Here we're showing 1.2 amps in 5 volts versus 0.4 amps in 16 volts. So I can see the voltage converter being reasonably efficient. Okay, then the power flows in the other direction to that ESP32, which has here a little infrared sensor, so I can talk to it and then change the pattern like this. And so the 5 volts goes here. Those are the data lines, 15 data lines going to the RGB panels. They are chained, so there's actually 3 panels, 1, 2, 3, 96 times 64. Then the output of this panel gets fed back into this one, so that's why they're actually showing the same thing. They're offset by like a few milliseconds, which you can't see. Alright, so let's follow again. Now the 16th pin here brings in power, but also outputs a data signal. That data signal gets copied a few times and goes to my pants and other things I have, NeoPixel strips. So I'll follow this one, and it goes to the shirt here. So basically the shirt is powered by the 5 volts coming from there and getting the data line to display those patterns, and then those patterns can also be changed if all goes well. Let me try this. If I talk to remote, there we go. So that's a different pattern. Another one, there you go. And that's pretty much it.